exactly is the Hogan design difference?
So ours is a lot of different things. What we tried to do is look at the whole experience that you would have with Hogan and put it together in a whole process so that you can understand how we differentiate ourselves. And part of it is just simply that process. A lot of contractors don't have a process. There's not really anything behind how they do things. They come out, they give you the estimate, you sign contract, and they just start figuring it out as they're going. This is one of the things that causes a lot of delays on projects when you're dealing with some contractors. Most common questions I get from a customer is, how soon can you start? And as a contractor, what we hear is, we want you to start right away. And so most contractors are like, I can start in 2 weeks, or I can start in 3 weeks. And the problem with that, it's great that they can start that soon, but the better question to ask is, how soon can you finish? Because they can get into it in 3 weeks, they can tear stuff apart, but if cabinet orders are going to take 16 weeks, now they've torn up your kitchen and you don't have cabinets for 12 of those weeks, and it's just torn apart. So why does it matter how soon you can start if you can't finish? So that's one of the many things, but the process is one of the biggest things that I would say sets us apart.